Ever wondered how to make your own succulent wreath? Imagine a unique living piece of art adding a dose of greenery to your space. Succulent wreaths are beautiful, versatile, and a perfect touch to any garden or home. Stay tuned to find out how you can create your own succulent wreath with ease. Before we start, gather the necessary materials. You'll need a wreath frame, sphagnum moss, floral wire, and a selection of succulent cuttings. Each item plays a vital role in bringing your succulent wreath to life. With all materials in hand, you're ready to start creating your succulent wreath. Now, get ready to dive into the process of creating your succulent wreath. The first step is to prepare your wreath frame. This will be the foundation of your project, so make sure it's sturdy and ready to hold your succulents. Next, attach the moss to your wreath frame. The moss not only gives your wreath a lush green background, but it also provides a nurturing environment for your succulents to grow. Once your moss is securely attached, it's time to insert the succulents. Gently place each succulent into the moss, ensuring that it's firmly nestled into the wreath. Arrange them in a pattern that pleases your eye. Some prefer a random placement, while others like a more symmetrical design. Finally, it's all about maintenance. Water your wreath sparingly as succulents thrive in dry conditions. Regularly check for any signs of disease or pests. And voila! You've created your own succulent wreath. But remember, maintenance is key to keeping your wreath looking fresh and vibrant. Creating a succulent wreath is that simple. With a handful of materials and a dash of creativity, you can bring a touch of nature's beauty to your home. Remember, it's all about choosing your favorite succulents, arranging them in your unique style, and nurturing them with love. So why wait? Roll up your sleeves and craft your very own green masterpiece. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.